I can walk away knowing that when things happen at home or at the marae, our maraes are safe because our young ones are stepping up now. I've been actually teaching it for the last 10 years, out of 50 years, 51 years on marae, or even at their homes, anywhere, wherever they wanted me to be. And I never ever did wānanga. I was introduced to that about a month ago. And to me, everything I've ever done, I've never expected to be paid for. A lot of people would throw money at me and I'd drive along and wave out to them, beep the horn and drop the money out the window. And then you'd hear them swearing and doing all sorts, take the money. And that's not what my journey has been for. Doing it through Te Puna Ora, it's sort of saddens me a bit to have to be paid to teach my people. I can walk away knowing that when things happen at home or at the marae, our maraes are safe because our young ones are stepping up now. They're stepping up and they're doing it. A lot of them were very whakamaha about, they'd always wear a belt around them and all that, but frightened they might make a mistake. And I always say to them, when I teach you fellas how to do the meat, there's no right way, there's no wrong way, but there's always a different way. Everywhere I go, if my help is needed, I'll give it. So I carry my gear all the time, no matter where I go. And even if I'm going for a party in Wellington, I'll still take my gear.